What's up, guys? It is group ride day.
Everyone back over.
Holy shit.
An app that shows where there's places to charge. Like I know there's one at the base of the building.
There used to be like a plug share app, but that thing sucks. Hey, there's George. When's the last time you went to the burn?
Last year.
Nice. You?
Oh no.
Nice. My last time was 12. Went 3 years, like from 10 to 12, and then...
Yeah, I've gone the last 3 years.
Nice, yeah. I always like seeing the temple, you know?
Yeah.
See what they do with that every year.
Have you tried playing around in the roadshow one this year?
Didn't realize we had 3 LaCroix in the group today.
My friend took my RV.